So we've got a pretty quiet start, both today and tomorrow. We've got some sunshine, and we are going to be rain-free for Monday and Tuesday, today and tomorrow. But I wanted to fast forward here to Wednesday, just kind of preparing you well in advance that this is not expected to be a widespread severe weather type situation. Looking ahead, though, this is the day 3 outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, and you see this green highlight. Pretty much the entire state of Indiana is involved in this. That's a level 1 of 5, meaning there could be some isolated strong to severe storms as we get into the day on Wednesday, and then eventually that storm system is going to move out, but still looks to keep some rain chances around for Thursday as well. So we're going to get into that longer range forecast in just a bit. First, though, what you're waking up to this morning, and that's just a little bit of cloud cover and a dry forecast. In fact, it's very dry. We're looking at dew point temperatures out there near 33, which doesn't really mean much to you, but what it means to meteorologists is that's signifying some very dry air out there. We've had this northeast wind around 10 miles per hour, ushering in that cooler, drier air mass, and you're certainly going to notice how it feels out there this morning. Currently 53, forecasting around 52 next hour, dropping off an additional degree or so, heading into the coolest part of the day around 51. We'll see that between 6 and 7 a.m. as we've got sunrise for that morning rush today at 6:24. We're going to keep it in the low 50s. Now, as we go into the middle part of our morning and then into the afternoon, the morning cloud deck will start to clear back out. We're going to bring back in some more sunshine for your yard work weather later today as temperatures climb back to the 50s through the 60s and then eventually peaking around 70 for a high today, which is below average at this point in the season. We should be around 75, and we're just going to stay below that for everybody this afternoon. In fact, only looking at a high of around 68 from Kokomo over to Richmond, and then 70 here in the city as well as Shelbyville. Heading into the evening tonight looks pretty good. We'll see a few clouds build back in, but otherwise quite a bit of sunshine until the sun goes down, which today officially not until 9 o'clock. We've got a lot of evening daylight from here on out in this season. 61 degrees during the 9 o'clock hour this evening. And then as we get into tomorrow, nearly a copy and paste forecast. We will see a brief change in our wind direction here out of the east. So we will see a slight warming trend as we get into our Tuesday, a mix of sun and clouds and a very seasonal 75 for your high, 73 in Muncie, 75 in Columbus. Tomorrow is going to be one of those ideal kind of days. Rain chance then is going to ramp up there as we get into our Wednesday. That's when we talked about that severe risk possible. Some lingering showers and storms on Thursday. And at this point on Friday, looks mainly dry, but not going to rule out that potential that we could potentially see here, like a stray pop-up shower or so as we get into our Friday afternoon. Certainly going to be cooler on the backside of that storm system. And then we're going to heat things back up for Memorial Day weekend. 83 on Saturday. And at this point, looking mainly dry for the race. We'll call it 85, hotter, but partly sunny.